Is this the best EV for outdoor adventure? Chevrolet is aiming to redefine what electric trucks are capable of with the reveal of the Silverado EV ZR2 off-road race truck concept. And they're not holding back. This isn't a design study or a trailer queen. It's a fully functioning electric race truck, purpose-built to take on the brutal conditions of the Mint 400, one of the most legendary and punishing off-road races in the world. Developed in just 5 months, the Silverado EV ZR2 race truck was created by Chevrolet in partnership with the Hall Racing team, and it's packing serious hardware. This all-electric beast will compete in the open production EV class, driven by off-road veteran Chad Hall, a man with deep roots in desert racing and a long-standing partnership with Chevy in pushing the limits of off-road engineering. At its core, this concept truck is built using 98% production parts from GM, a signal that Chevrolet isn't just experimenting with electric off-roaders. They're engineering them to be real, durable, and accessible in the future. The Silverado EV ZR2 concept is designed to push boundaries, challenge expectations, and help Chevy answer a bold question. Can an EV truly be the best vehicle for outdoor adventure? Let's talk numbers. The tri-motor electric propulsion system generates an astonishing 1,100 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque, figures that were once reserved for super trucks or dedicated drag machines. But this truck isn't just about power. It's about control, adaptability, and endurance. Equipped with prototype Multimatic adaptive spool valve dampers, the truck offers more than 13 inches of front and rear wheel travel, allowing it to soak up rough terrain with precision. It rides on 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 mud-terrain tires, features front and rear locking differentials, a lifted suspension with specific off-road tuning, and full underbody skid protection. This is the kind of spec sheet that off-road purists respect, and now it's being delivered in an all-electric format. More importantly, this isn't just a race for the podium. It's a testing ground. Chevrolet engineers will be embedded with the Hall Racing team during the race, gathering real-time data on vehicle performance, durability, and system behavior under extreme stress. Every bump, jump, and mile in the Mint 400 serves as a feedback loop for future production vehicles. This approach blends the excitement of motorsports with the strategic mission of long-term EV development. Chevy's use of racing as a research tool has proven effective. Since 2017, the Hall Racing team has competed in over 50 off-road races in ZR2-based vehicles, finishing an incredible 53 out of 54 races. That kind of consistency doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of smart engineering, close collaboration, and continuous innovation. This leads to what's coming next for consumers. The 2026 Silverado EV Trail Boss. Scheduled for launch soon, Trail Boss will be Chevrolet's first off-road focused electric pickup available to the public. It brings factory-installed upgrades including a lifted suspension, 18-inch wheels, 35-inch all-terrain tires, red toe hooks, and a newly developed terrain mode to improve low-speed control in tricky conditions like rock crawling or deep mud. With all this in mind, the Silverado EV ZR2 concept isn't just an engineering flex. It's a preview of what's possible. A glimpse into how the off-road world and the electric revolution are coming together in exciting, high-performance ways. So, could this be the best EV for outdoor adventure? It certainly has the specs, the story, and the mission to make a real claim. Whether it's conquering the desert or inspiring the next generation of production trucks, the Silverado EV ZR2 is here to prove that EVs aren't just for the city. They're built for the wild too. We want to hear from you. Would you take a high-powered electric truck like this on your next adventure? Are EVs ready to take over the trail? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of electric performance.
World Cars.